Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download Red Dead Redemption 2 on your Windows PC. So first we are going to open Google Chrome and then search for Steam, and then we will go open the first result, and then this is the website. This is Steam, where we can download any game we want. So most of the games are available in this website. So for that we need to install Steam in our computer. Press this button and again install Steam. So this will pop up, and after that we need to press next and then choose the desired language, next, and install your Steam on your device. But I am not going to install it because I already have Steam on my device. So after you install Steam, this is how it will look, and then you need to create an account. So after you have created the account, just open Steam and then go to stores. All right, this is the store, and in the search menu type Red Dead, and then you will find a game. So after you find a game, just tap this option called in cart and then continue to payment. So after you press this option, you will have to fill up your billing information and purchase the game. After you purchase the game, and you will find a game on your library. Okay, so I have not purchased the game, but if you purchase the game, you will find your game somewhere here, and then you will find like similar button called install. Just tap the install button and your game will be installed on your device. So that's how you download and install Red Dead Redemption on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching.